Hello everybody, this is Mr. Brackett with an instructional video for staff members in the school district on how to use Signupcom, which is a free website for creating events that you then invite people to sign up for. Some of us used this in the fall to create parent-teacher conference sign-ups, so I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you're going to go to Signup.com. This is the front page. It's very simple. Probably the simplest way to sign up for one of their free accounts is to sign in with your Google credentials. And if you're signed in to your Chrome browser, when you do this, hitting sign in with Google is just going to pass your Google credentials to Signup.com to give you the account that you need. And then once you're inside, you can see Signup.com. I'm signed in because I see my account information up here. I can also see all of my signups. This is the signup that I did in the fall for parent-teacher conferences. If I want to create a new one, I just click Create New Signup. This is going to take you to a screen where you provide a bunch of details about the event. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign up for single or multiple days. You want to choose, this is parent-teacher conferences, because choosing that will give you some special options that are specific to parent-teacher conferences. You also want to choose a name that's fitting for the parent-teacher conference. Now you see that these first three, they have these orange stars next to them. That means that they're mandatory. You must fill these out in order to create an event. But a lot of these other ones are not mandatory. So the welcome message, the location, you can not do those things if you want. There are some things here that you might choose to activate or deactivate depending on your personal preferences. Down here where it says affiliated with a school, you definitely want to affiliate that with our district, because then people will be able to go to signup.com and look up parent-teacher conferences that are associated with our school. If you've never done this before, you won't have choose a previous school. So you just say this is a U.S. school. You say that the zip code is 49111, and then you do a search. And from school name, a drop down of options will be available for schools that are within 5 miles of 49111. You see Eau Claire High School is one of those options, and so you would affiliate that. Or if you're a middle school teacher, you would affiliate your parent-teacher conference with a middle school, with the middle school. I would turn this off because you really don't need anybody to know about this except for you. Organizer information, the mandatory name already gets pulled in, so you don't need to worry about it. What information do you want from participants? It requires a full name and an email from somebody who's trying to sign up, so you're going to get that automatically. I would also suggest, since these are likely to be phone conferences, that you require a phone number. This additional information you can require if you want to. It's not necessary. You can limit the spots. No, you can't, because that's a premium issue. Since Signup.com has free accounts, and then you see this up here, it says Go Premium. Of course, they want to make money, so you can pay for some of their premium features, but you don't have to. Clicking Next is going to take you to your spots. And so you want to create a new spot, and you can do this by scrolling to when you believe you're going to have this event, and just clicking on that date. And then you get Add a Spot. A spot is what you want people to sign up for what you're going to want to do in this particular situation, depending on what time conferences are, you're going to want to add shifts. And what you'll say is, I want one person to attend, my phone conference, and my shift is going to start from 8 a.m. It's going to end at 9 a.m. and I want time slots that are 10 minutes long, with no breaks in between. And then you'll see that the website recognizes that what you want is 6 time spots, 8 to 8:10, 8:10 to 8:20, 8:20 to 8:30. And I'm just going to click apply. Now I know this isn't right, but I'll be able to go in and edit it after the fact to make it correct. You say it happens on the 24th. You say maybe add some extra details if you want. Then I click save. And now you can see that I've got these spots available. You can see that nobody signed up for any of them yet because, of course, we haven't advertised the event, which we'll get to in a moment. Now you see it takes us back out here, which is fine for the moment. We'll click next. They want you to choose a theme. Choose one that's to your liking. Really doesn't make much of a difference. Just click choose on one and you'll see up here that your theme has been chosen. You can do some other customization if you want, but it's not necessary. Then you click next, and what you want to do is create a link. And you'll see here that we have the link. We also have a bunch of language that includes the link. What I end up doing is just taking all of that language and copying it into a word processor. And then I can click up here and I'm done. Now they want to try to sell you their premium features. You just ignore that. And then I can go back out to my dashboard and I see that I have a parent-teacher conference spot. And so I'm going to show you in a second video, to keep these videos short, I'm going to show you how to customize the settings on this and edit the settings on this to make sure that it's all correct. Going back to this, you're going to want to use this language or maybe something like this language in an email communication that you would send to parents to get them to sign up. Also the link, you could use this specific link right here in something like Google Classroom if I copied that out. And then I went over to Google Classroom and I said, in my psychology class, I need my students to know that there's going to be parent-teacher conferences, and so I say, hey, looky here. And then I would post that, and then the students would have to sign up. If your parents are guardians within Google Classroom, then they could see that as well. Otherwise, you're going to have the students communicate it to the parents. So having that link, what that link will do is it will end up taking somebody, if I put that link in, it takes them right to your event and shows them the available spots that they can sign up for. And so if I'm a parent and I'm trying to sign up for one of these spots, the link is what I need to sign up. So that's the first of 2 videos, I think. I know it's a little long, looks like 9 minutes plus, but we covered a lot. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.